This is what I've got. This is actually a jacket potato, tuna, onion, pepper, mayonnaise, cheese, butter, crispy onions, salt. I actually done a plate up with me on my backup if you want to go and have a look, but let's go and eat it. Ooh, stop it right now. Just stop it. Wish I had prawns on jacket potato. Yes, bruv. Wow. Guys, why do I always... What is with this? What is with this? Because I know that you guys get annoyed. I get annoyed too. Honestly. Talking about, like, things going wrong. You know, I always forget things. Well, you don't, but I do always forget things. And you know how I mess words up, I say things, I do stupid stuff like that. It might be like pre-menopause, is it? My friend's going through it, and she was like, you probably are going through it because you're a bit of a nut job. I was like, oh my God, maybe I am. The shit us women go through. Do you know what I mean? It's just not normal. And we have to have the periods, we have to have the menopause, we have to give birth. What do you do, men? Hey, quick. And you're done? No. No shade. Only bands. It is what it is. But on a serious note, we're harder than you. Just put it out there. Okay? This is lovely. What have you guys had today? Have you had anything? If you haven't, grab something, pull up a pew, have it with me. Something's better than nothing, isn't it? Saying that, I had a comment. Something about, well, actually, that's not quite true. Like, something is, like, better. When you say eat something, something's better than nothing or something, it's actually quite bad. I'm not telling you to go and get 50,000 McDonald's and eat it in one sitting. I'm telling you, if you haven't eaten, go and eat something. Doesn't matter what it is, get something in your stomach, okay? So I see that as good. You might not. And also, you made stuff fall off my jacket potato, okay? Let's bring good vibes, positivity. Positivity. Although I'm not always positive. Just because you see me on here doesn't mean my life's all bloody, you know, laughing giggles, because that's just life, isn't it? It's whether we can move on from that. Ow! What was that? Continues to eat it. Brilliant. That's swallowed now, isn't it? It's what it is. Oh, look, it's so, I keep looking at that because it's so windy. It's obviously crazy. Anyway, I'm off in a minute to go and watch my son's singing, Christmas singing. Oh, stop, I can't. I know what his face is going to be like, though. That's the thing. When he sees me back. I love it. Also, 16 sleeps until Santa. The reason why I said it's that is because 16 sleeps to Santa. It's on the heart radio. My phone is on 2%. Nah, I'm not having this video deleted. I've got to go. Right, on my phone with you. Have a good day.